First of all, introduce myself. I am Kishore, first year student, Electronics and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Technology. Within the fascinating real technology, an area that particularly captivates my interest is blockchain technology. Blockchain, often hailed as a revolutionary innovation, represents a decentralized system that facilitates secure, transparent, and immutable transactions across a distributed network. Its applications extend far beyond cryptocurrency, delving into real such as supply chain management, healthcare, finance. Now, blockchain technology. In the digital age, innovation is the cornerstone of progress, and the blockchain technology has emerged as a disruptive force reshaping economic landscapes globally. As its essence, blockchain represents more than just a decentralized ledger. It signifies a paradigm shift in how we conduct transactions, manage data, and foster economic growth. Let's delve into the transformative influence of blockchain technology on economic development.
Understanding blockchain technology. Blockchain characterized by decentralization, transparency, and immutability offer a revolutionary approach to economic development.
Transparency and trust. Its decentralized nature eliminates intermediaries, ensuring transparent and secure transactions. This fosters trust among stakeholders and reduces inefficiencies in traditional economic system. Financial inclusion. Blockchain facilitates finance access for the unbanked and unbanked populations through decentralized finance, DeFi, and digital identities. It empowers individual fostering economic participation and entrepreneurship. Supply chain revolution. Blockchain traceability and transparency transform supply management, ensuring authenticity, reducing fraud, and optimizing processes across various industries. Innovation catalyst. Smart contracts and decentralized applications (DApps) introduce innovative economic models, incentivize collaboration, and drive economic progress. Numerous real-world applications illustrate the visible impact blockchain. Governments leveraging blockchain for transparent governance and efficient public services. Enterprises adopting blockchain for streamlined operations, reducing costs and enhancing security. Initiatives using blockchain in healthcare, education, and humanitarian aid, amplifying social and economic development. While promising, blockchain faces challenges, scalability issues and energy consumption concerns, regulatory frameworks and interoperability hurdles. Overcoming these challenges requires collaborative efforts, technological advancements, and robust governance. Conclusion. Embracing blockchain technology for a thriving future. Blockchain technology optimizes a paradigm shift, offering transparency, inclusivity, and innovation. Embracing its potential, overcoming challenges, and fostering collaborative ecosystem will drive economic growth, creative a more connected, prosperous world. Thank you. Thanks for exploring the transformative role of blockchain economic development. Embracing this technology's potential is key to shaping a future where economies thrive in a decentralized, transparent environment.